Good day, everybody. Today we'd like to talk to you about this HiCOZY Electric Spin Scrubber. It's a cordless power scrubber, and it has some really great features with it. One of the coolest things about it is how easily it changes with other parts. You just snap on and snap off, and depending on what your job is, and it goes on like a breeze and comes off like a breeze. Has 2 speeds, high and a low, and has a wide assortment of different attachments that you can get. These little like scrubbing pads, and all they do is attach onto this guy here. And once again, it just snaps on, snaps off, and you could scrub things away. Some of the really nice things we like about this is that it's waterproof. Has pretty good long battery life, about an hour and a half long. And you can also, like I said, a wide array of different assortments, and they're all hook and loom. And these are also washable as well. So after use, you can throw them in the wash. Anyhow, great little product here. It's really helped us out at home cleaning up stuff, and really think it'd be a great addition to anybody's home. So if you have any questions, please feel free to click on the link below. And as always, if you can like and subscribe, that'd be a great help. And we'll talk to you soon, and appreciate your time.